Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is nothing phone, one smartphone. In this video, you will know how to change screen timeout in nothing phone, one smartphone. First, go to the settings of a phone here and click on display. Now click on screen timeout, and by default it is set to 30 seconds. Screen timeout means if you keep your phone 30 seconds by doing nothing on your nothing phone one, then screen will go to off, it will be timed out. If you want to increase the screen timeout, just you can select from the available options, you can go up to 30 minutes. This will be very useful when you are using your phone for a longer time. Okay, for example, if you touch on your phone screen within 5 minutes or within 7 minutes, or you don't know on what minute you will just touch on it. So for longer use, just you can make your phone screen is make your phone screen is turned on always, so up to 30 minutes it will stay. And now if you want to set a quick timeout, then click on 50 seconds. Minimum is 15 seconds. So in this way you can also set minimum timeout for your phone nothing phone one. If you want to set to default screen timeout, then click on 30 seconds. Now I will check how screen timeout is going on. I keep on 15 seconds, and I do nothing on my phone nothing phone one. What will happen? See here, after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will go to off. Yes, it is turned off, so it's timed out. That's the meaning of it. And I would like to just set to 30 seconds, and it's default screen timeout. In this way you can easily customize screen timeout in your phone nothing phone one. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.